Namaste children. This video is for class 8th Andhra Pradesh State Syllabus students, chapter 3, Humanity. Vocabulary, phrasal verbs. Look at the following underlined phrase taken from the text and know the meaning. The peach trees that in the spring time broke out into delicate blossoms. In the above sentence, the phrase broke out means to come out with delicate blossoms. The meaning of the phrasal verb break out is to start suddenly. Fire broke out during the last night. Listening about the sad news, she broke out into tears. Coronavirus broke out all over the world. We have another meaning for the phrasal verb break out. To escape from a place using force. Many prisoners broke out from the prison. The angry mob broke out, breaking the barricades. The cricket fans broke out in order to have a glimpse of their favorite cricketer. Pick out some more phrasal verbs from the play The Selfish Giant. Put up. The meaning of the phrasal verb put up is to raise or hoist something. Put your hand up if you want to ask a question. Susie put her hair up. Put up has another meaning. To display, fasten in a place where it will be seen. Put up the notice in the notice board. Daily, the new arrivals will be put up in the showcase. Put up has another meaning also. To build or to erect. These buildings were put up very recently. Let us put up a fence around these trees. Put up has another meaning also. To rise, to increase. Because of the outbreak of coronavirus, the prices of essential commodities are being put up. My house owner is threatening me to put up the rent by rupees 500. Cover up. The meaning of the phrasal verb cover up is to hide the true state of affairs on one's own or somebody else's behalf. Conceal a mistake. Do not try to cover up your mistakes. If I am late tomorrow, please cover up for me. Read the underlined part of the sentence taken from the story. This is a delightful spot. In the above sentence, delightful means pleasant. The opposite or antonym of it is gloomy. Pick out antonyms of the underlined words from the play and use them in your own sentences. Nobody likes to be in hell. The antonym for hell is paradise. It is believed that Good doers would go to paradise after their death. You should be aware of your foe. The antonym for foe is friend. Raja and Sidhu are friends. It started raining cats and dogs. The antonym for start is stop. You should not stop singing in the middle. Stop your vehicle when red light glows. She uncovered her head after she came out of the temple. The antonym for uncover is cover. Susie covered all the textbooks and notebooks neatly. My vehicle covers 200 kilometers just in 2 hours. This is the nearest shop to my house. Antonym for the word nearest is farthest. My house is situated at the farthest end of the street. Thank you for watching the video.